when you are just alone. But you see, submission comes first, and then you look with external features of your bodies you need to take care of also. But as you submit to each other and as you submit to God, you learn also how you'll be able to project yourself in front of many people, in front of your family members. But today it's so special because you are the center of this ceremony. And we do believe, Michael, you're the handsome man in this place and around the world today. You're the most handsome. And as you look into Anne, she's the most beautiful lady. Wala ka nang hanapin na iba. Sa buong mundo, si Anne ang pinakamaganda. And even after this ceremony, because wedding, it's one thing, marriage is another thing. This wedding, you've been preparing for a couple of months maybe, or even years. But after this ceremony, it will come to an end. And it talks about your married life. You start another chapter of your life together, and how you continue on would make a difference. And you stick together as you submit to each other. You project yourself before the Lord, somebody who is a spiritual husband, somebody who is a spiritual wife.